Okay, also in Muskogee, Oklahoma, I am at the Three Rivers Museum. This is kind of the old railroad depot section of town, and that is called the Oklahoma Music Museum. And this is the old railway depot, and they have a little museum, so I'm going to check this out. Here's a Girl Scout cookie exhibit. And as usual, I am the only person in this place. I'm always amazed how few people see these little historical societies. There's seldom anybody in any of these things. Oh, I like the phone booth. Yeah, definitely digging the phone booth. That's a nice one. That's a pretty cool barbershop stool. That's a very, very old one. Look at that porcelain enamel. Very cool. Yeah, it's really sad. This was a very nice town at one point. It's turning into a miniature Detroit, you know? The obligatory Burroughs adding machine. Griffin's syrup is from Oklahoma. It's not from Muskogee, but it started in Oklahoma apparently. That's kind of cool. I really enjoy learning about local brands. Oh, check out those little tiny milk jug things. I love learning about where stuff is invented. And here's the old school Indian head test pattern, which was a very iconic thing. That's a cool TV too. Oh, that Philco. That's nice. That's kind of a gem right there. love this old school luggage. You know, it's something you can find really, really cheap. It's still readily available, this old-timey luggage. They're built so well. That's kind of neat, these lights. I wonder what these were. It's a beacon light, but I don't know. Beacon light for what? It's not for maritime use, that's for sure. Maybe they're for the railroad. Alright, I think they have a couple of trains outside, or a few things outside. Oh, that's cool. Old steam whistle from a train. And if you've never seen a cotton bale, which I never did till I moved to this area, they produce a lot of cotton in Arkansas and the panhandle of Texas, and it's pretty interesting to see if you've never seen it. Okay, let's see if I can exit here to the railroad. Okay, guess not. Is the train open for display, or?
No, they're not open. They both need some wood repair.
Oh, okay.
And you can go look at them. If you go to the schoolhouse, I would not step on the front steps.
No worries. Gotcha.
Is that okay?
Can I exit here?
Yes. If you want to come back in, just leave the door. Don't push it
Okay.
shut. But if you're not coming back in, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So this is the back side of the depot. I guess there's not too much to see out here. I have quite a few containers going on here. I wonder what all they're moving around. Well, I guess this is it, and it's not open right now. They told me the schoolhouse does not have good floors, so I guess I'm not really gonna look at that. But yeah, if you happen to be in Muskogee, which I don't know why you would be, but if you are around, come check out this old part of town. It is kind of nice. On a nice day, have a little walk around, look at the kind of historic part of the downtown. It is so dead quiet here, and it's the middle of the week and it's a nice day. I'm a little surprised how little foot traffic I see at all the stores and stuff. There's really not a whole lot of activity in this town, it seems. I'm afraid, I hate to say it, but it really feels like a dying town to me. It seems like it's slowly just deteriorating. Excuse the wind noise. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed.